Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious math tutorials. So far as this channel is concerned, we are going to explore, alright? So we are still considering conditional permutations, okay? Where we will be giving digits including zero. Zero begins the digits, alright? So what do we do here? If you are new here, visit my previous lecture videos on conditional permutations, okay? A lot have been said in your absence. Just go there and catch up, okay? I'm waiting for you over here. Let's start the business. So a three-digit number is to be formed from the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up to 6, okay? 5 and 6. If repetition of digits is allowed, we learned about what permutations with repetition and permutations without what repetition. So how many ways can this be done? This is very trivial. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? And 6. I said the first thing to do is look out for your N and your R. N denotes the total number of what? Of items. So I have N, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 different what? Items. In other words, the total number of what? Of numbers equals 7. Taking what at a time? Taking 3 at a time. So the number R is what? 3. So which is 3? And we said what? Permutations where repetition is allowed is given by the formula. So repetition, where repetition is allowed, permutation where repetition is allowed is given by the formula n to the power r. It will change from what? N permutation r, then to what? Then to this formula. Let's do our substitution. Wherever you see n, n goes to 7. So I have 7 then to the power r, which is equal to 3 this way. So therefore I have what? 7 times what? 7 then times 7. Do not make any attempts to multiply, else you are going to deviate. There is a condition, right? So here you realize that, okay, we consider the whole items here, which is 7, including the 0. But remember from our previous lecture video, we learned that 0 is not a digit. 0, so far as 0 is beginning those numbers, 0 is not a digit. So far as permutation is concerned, 0 is not significant. Is that not so? So, but if we place 0 in any of these numbers, it will make sense. 0 becomes significant, and 0 becomes what? A digit. Do you understand? So it's just a matter of arrangement. Permutation has to do with what? Arrangement. Right? So now let's look out for the numbers, okay, that are, or in other words, let's look for what? The proper digits. So now, the proper digits. So the digits here equals what? Not 0, but we're going to start from 1. So 1 is our first digit, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then up to what? Up to 6. Having done this, now let's look out for what? Our new n, right? Our n, the number of what? Those proper digits, the number of digits. So n, so the number of my digits, okay, which is equal to, let's do the counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 6. So I have a 6 number of digits. So far as I started with the 7-year means, I've included even the 0, which is not a digit, right? So when I do that, I'll get it wrong. But now I've realized that, oh, okay, without the 0, okay, without the 0, because 0 is not a digit, I have what? 6. So therefore, this 6 will replace the first factor, which is 7, right? So as a result of that, we say what? The required number of ways is given by, so 7 changes to what? To 6. Do you understand? This is what we're dealing with, what? The digits. 7 here is just what? The total number including 0. We don't want it that way. So we have it to be what? 6 replaces 7. So therefore, we start from what? 6, right? Then you maintain this. You add it, okay? 7 times 7. So 7 times what? 7. So I have 6 times 7 times 7. So I have what? 294. As simple as that. Viewers, these are some of the tricks, the techniques, the methodologies, the antics, the hints Tindanious mathematics tutorial, okay, is going to what? Deliver to you. So viewers, stay safe. I'll keep you posted. I'll give you another question under this conditional probability where they are going to intentionally place values somewhere within a certain range. They will give us another condition. All right, follow me for that next video. I'll see you next time. Bye.